Lottie, Dottie. Lottie and Dottie, we like the potty. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I am the bomb, aka Nostra Thomas. I am the bomb. Shit's popping off this morning. Let me tell you, the Nasdaq and the E-mini, the SPOOs were up. They were up big. They were up big. I don't know what the CPI data was, but it was not good because it reversed hard. Like if you imagine, I've actually done this before one time on accident. It was ugly. You're driving down the road doing like 60 miles an hour, and I was just trying to put the car in the neutral, and it actually went into reverse. Well, that's what the market did today. Um, all right. So tasty. We'll take a look at CPI data. We'll check in with Capo. El Capo, the great. And give my thoughts. It is a blood freaking bath right now. Ding, 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 ding. 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 God damn it. I was on mute. Um, Alexander in the house. How you doing, brother? Long time no see. I was talking about how it doesn't matter. I got a little dark anyway. You guys are probably good not knowing. All right, so the market is getting 10 toes down, freaking destroyed right now. Let's see what my Uber position is doing. Do we roll down the call? Yeah, we're rolling down the call in Uber. All right, time to get defensive AF on. Well, Uber's still doing okay, right? So I put on a strangle in Uber. We've had to play with this quite a bit because I put this on 2 days ago. We adjusted it yesterday, and I'm probably gonna adjust it again today. We initially put it on as a 22 and a half, 35. So the put was 22 and a half. That hasn't changed. The call, we started at 35. And if we take a look at this, it was here and here, right? We moved down the call. We rolled down the call to get more credit because Uber started going down. Uber's testing the downside. Uber is going down and it's testing my short put, meaning if Uber goes below 22.50, I'm at risk of having the Uber stock put to me. Now, with 36 days to go, it's not likely that anyone's going to put the shares to me. It's not impossible, but it's not likely. As that gets shorter DTE, days to expiration, it is more of a chance that could happen. So one of the things you can look to do is roll the put out in time. I'm not going to do that right now because we still got 36 days to go. And this market could turn around. For example, I can roll the put out a month and get another 25-cent credit. Extend duration, buy time, right? Continue to get a credit. This is how this game is played, boys and girls, and I cannot wait to do this in crypto. What else I can do is I can roll down the call because this is, I started this off basically as delta neutral. I wasn't long or I wasn't short Uber. The more this goes down, I'm getting more and more long. I'm actually retro in the house. How you doing, brother? They already have FTX already has options on crypto. There's just not much liquidity. You can do the same thing. You can sell a put in Bitcoin, earn credit, and end up buying. So it's going to be amazing. That's why you need to start learning this option shit now. It's gonna be amaze balls, brother. Anyway, I'm gonna stop waxing on. I'm gonna roll down the call most likely. So let's take a look. Roll strike down. Another 61-cent credit. Yeah, bro. Let's do it. Or about 59 cent. Boom, filled. We've now collected $1.80, over $2 and around 235, right? $235. Meaning, if Uber goes around $20, obviously I could have the shares put to me, but that pretty much be my break even. My break even, I don't want to do the math. $1.90, 249. So $20 and 0.01 is my break even. I start losing money when Uber goes $20 and below. I get the shares put to me at 22 and a half, but I received all the money, right? So it's my cost basis would be $20.01. And if Uber goes down to say like 17 or whatever, we hold on to it. Maybe we can sell covered calls, and you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? All right, that's enough of Uber. I don't even know if we can do anything in my other positions. Mara, let's see, PayPal, no, Palantir getting destroyed. I'm going to end up owning some Palantir, probably at a loss at this rate. That's okay. Palantir isn't that expensive. It should see a new day in the sun. My Tesla Iron Condor is down $61. Let's see. So see, this is nearing. I bought some Tesla yesterday. I should have waited. Should have freaking waited. I'm not gonna play with this one. I don't know. I don't know that this market. I don't want to say that the lows are in. weren't we? Weren't we? We've been flip flopping. We didn't think the lows were in. We thought the lows were in. Well, we were wrong. The lows weren't in. The lows were not in because it's getting lower right now as we speak. We'll take a look at that in a second. Tattooed Chef, I'm getting destroyed. Tesla getting destroyed. Palantir put getting destroyed. All right, who wants to look at this bloodbath anymore? Capo, I didn't expect this move to go this low. In fact, I expected the bounce to come earlier. With this being said, SPX is pumping, and bro, it was pumping before CPI data came out, but now it's dumping hard. This could be a massive bear trap. Not at the moment. You might LCX. What the hell is that? I love how I muted the mic to drink, but then I lost a burp in your face. All right. What the hell is LCX, bro? Brow. Do I not have the Chizat? The Chizat? The Chizo? You guys know what to do when IPsec VPN proxy IDs are the same? Oh, think it's an exchange? Why are you buying some lowbrow, downtrodden, never heard of penny stock exchange? Inflation data rocks US market and Bitcoin. Oh no. Oh no. So tasty. In the morning. Who is that sexy mofo? Yeah, this guy pops up every morning and he's just sleeping. Is this like one of those, you just kind of watch the dude? Like a sleep feed? You just watch a guy sleep all day like a cat? Look at Bitcoin, $18,340. Ethereum getting ready to go below 1200. Cardino getting destroyed. Solana, baby, $28. Keep on dumping Solana. It's a compliant one. Solana. I'm getting ready to pull the trigger on some Solana. I want to see how low this dumpster fire can go. Harmony 1. Oh, 0.016. I can't even wait to get to Fraudora. Harmony 1.016. It's about to go, it's on its way to go sub a penny. Atom, $10.90. It's getting destroyed. Phantom destroyed. Near destroyed. AVAX, $14.85. Osmosis holding up pretty good. Matic holding up decent, 73 cents. I mean, it's down 6%. Quant holding up decent, 146. Sandbox, who gives a shit, 8 coin. Nazi coin, who gives a shit. Link, who gives a shit. Every rose has a thorn, getting destroyed. Fraudora, 0.0030. That's about around where, weren't we? Wasn't it 0.0036 yesterday, if I remember correctly? So it's about to go sub 0.003. Cadena $1.23. I should have waited to buy that shit. I mean, I didn't know this was gonna happen. I mean, look at that. We're falling off a cliff. There is we are at a bit of a support line. Like, I mean, not much. This is where it bottomed out in September. We're at that. I mean, we're basically at that. Something tells me the altcoins are getting destroyed, relatively speaking. Yeah, it's not like Solana's way below what. Ugh, Solana's getting. Oh no, this is Cardano. Cardano's getting freaking destroyed. Solana, C5, Bobana, Solana's below. Yeah, altcoins are getting destroyed. Freaking destroyed. Polkadot, $5. Like, this is like beep, beep, beep. It's getting close to back up the freaking truck time. Now, don't get too excited. Like, I mean, I think today could be a great day to back up the truck. Uh, but it could get worse. You know what I'm saying? If you can stomach, not financial advice here, if you could stomach being wrong for a while, back up the truck because these prices are going to go much. One or two things are going to happen, right? Crypto's going to fail. And I think about that all the time. Crypto can fail. As great as crypto is, crypto can fail. Again, most people don't understand crypto. Uh, I think I'm one of the smarter people out there on the planet, period, when it comes to investing in crypto. For numerous reasons, right? I'm not saying I'm the smartest crypto person out there, and I'm not saying I'm the smartest stock trader out there, although I'm definitely pro level. I understand the technology. I'm dangerous, boys and girls. So I can sit there and look. I truly understand crypto, and I can understand how it could fail. Numerous different reasons it could fail, whether it's government, whether it's the technology, whether some other cool thing comes along. Um, what if? I mean, I don't think this thing's gonna happen, but Bitcoin has a double spin or whatever. The whole thing is off the rails, right? Who knows? Maybe like tomorrow we wake up, we find out we find out Satoshi Nakamoto was Jeffrey Epstein. What the hell made me think of that? But what if that were to happen? I backed up the truck last week. Beep. Man. Yeah, you're backing it up on dumb shit too, brother. LCX. What the F is LCX? It's in Liechtenstein? Isn't that where Liechtenstein? Isn't that where A Knight's Tale is from? Isn't he from Liechtenstein? I freaking love that movie. Liechtenstein Exchange? Where the hell is Liechtenstein? Is that a country? Sounds like a place to go when you don't want to get. What is that? Where like countries you go to and the United States can't bring you back? What's that shit called? Too early in the morning. Early. Not no. God damn it. Sometimes I'm so smart. Other times I'm so stupid. Almost said arbitration. I know it's not that. It's Ah. God dang it, dude. Help me out. My brain's freaking. It's in Zurich. Wait, that's Switzerland. Is Liechtenstein in Switzerland? Not tax evasion, where they can't, like, say they extradite. It sounds like a place you can go where the United States can't extradite you. Oh my goodness. Is Liechtenstein in Switzerland? Well, I mean, Switzerland's got some pro banking. Liechtenstein. Is a German speaking microstate located in the Alps. Uses the Swiss. They speak German. It's a country with only 38,500 inhabitants in a territory the same size as the District of Columbia. I mean, the District of Columbia has millions. Liechtenstein is the world's wealthiest country. What? Liechtenstein is the world's based on per capita, I guess. According to the World Bank, its annual per capita 175. All right. Liechtenstein extra edition. What countries you cannot extradite? Let's see. Seven non-extradite. I'm just trying to figure out where I can go. So I can go to Morocco. I think Morocco, Qatar, UAE. I want to avoid those. I think Morocco is the only one on there. What is Qatar? It sounds like some place where they would want to chop my head off. Middle East, Arab. Yeah, there's probably a lot of dudes walking around with machetes wanting to take a white dude's head off. Let's see. They're gonna have the World Cup there. Is it safe to visit Qatar? Oh, it has a low crime rate. Pickpocketing, bag snatching, and other petty crimes are rare but can happen. Keep your eye on your belongings, especially in crowded places. Bank and credit card fraud can occur. All right, I don't know how we got all the way over to Qatar, but we did it. We made it. All right, let's check back in on the market. The Nasdaq trying to catch a bid. It was down like 330, now down 276. Do we yellow along? What was CPI data? Comes in hotter. I thought it was gonna come in cold. Ice cold. I don't want a effing video. God damn it, dude. All you millennials, all you care about is getting videos. Inflation came in much faster than expected. Bad news for the Fed. Overall claimed 8.2% in the year. More than what economic recently surveyed. Slight moderation. Prices increased. We're in for a big short form bid is the future. Yeah, I don't have a I agree with you, but when I'm going to the news, I just want to read. I don't want noise. I don't want a video, right? So do both. If you want to put it, look, if you want to put a video, so, and a lot of places do it, do a video and writing. You know what I'm saying? The best of both worlds. Uh, oh, we didn't look at bonds. Bonds 123. That's like a low of the year, right around the low. Bonds getting destroyed. Not good. Not good. What's the dollar doing? What's that Dixie doing? Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. All right, so the Dixie. I think the Dixie. I put this 120 line in a while back. It looks like it might go for that. This goes all the way back to May of 21. I don't remember the dollar being that high. Excuse me. Let's look at the NASDAQ chart. Yep, we're in denial. Like complaint. Did I spell that right? Complacency. I used to be a baller speller, but spell check is like I came in second place on a it was a small school, but I came in second place one year on a spelling bee. I used to sit there and memorize the words. But now with freaking spell check, like I couldn't spell my way out of a wet paper bag. And words like I don't know, it's weird. A lot of times words will look weird to me even when they're spelled right. I'm like, is that I don't know if my brain's just getting too much mold in it. Anyway, this chart continues to look uglier and uglier. Like I'm getting the truck ready to back up. I'm not backing it up yet. Right now, have you heard the expression trying to catch a falling knife? You're trying to catch a falling knife. Again, the pot odds are in your favor, like 2-1. The odds are in your favor. If you were to buy now, the odds are in your favor. You're going to do well. It's just a matter of time. It really is. And I hate to, beat a dead horse, but people need to understand this. Back it. Back it. The F up. Ip. The F ip. Back it. The F ip. I want to, bro, so badly. I want to see like Solana. I'm gonna watch this market. Like it ain't done. Like, dude, we got at least another 2 months now. 2 to 3 months. Because we need to see CPI cool and the Fed cool. And it's not gonna happen. Like it's not, you know what I'm saying? Like we've already had 1 month where it came in kind of good. But then the next month it came bad. So we need like a good 1 to 2 to 3 months of like positive news. So I'm just chilling. I'm going to get paid tomorrow. I'm going to save as much as I can. Add it to the kitty. Add it to the fiat kitty. And I mean, I've already got a few truckloads on fire right now. So I want my next few truckloads turn the boat around. And I'm not like you. I'm not gonna be buying dumb shit like LCX. Like I keep shitting on LCX. I don't know anything about it. Is this some crypto coin? Is LCX like? Let's take a look at this laugh. This LOL. This capital LOL. Is that its symbol? LOL. Oh my goodness. Hopefully you only bought like $20 of this shit. What are you thinking, bro? This isn't like buying stock in an exchange. This is some freaking. It's a rug pull. What telegrams and discords are you watching? Why would you buy this coin? Is this a legit, bro? Watch me leave your chat after making. Retros, hey Tom, thanks for. Well, you'll be the opposite. That one guy's like, hey Tom, thank you. You really helped me out a lot. I'm retiring. Retro's over there, like he's taking, like he's copying this URL with timestamps of me shitting on him so that he can come back and be like, yep, bitch, I told you. I'm going to buy an island. I'm done. See you later. I'm rich AF, and it all happened because of Quant and LCX. Why? Like what? I just don't like Quant. I can kind of get it, but like it's again though small amounts. I look, you do you. I hope you make a fortune. I really do. but I don't know why you would buy a coin to an exchange in Liechtenstein. Like right off the bat, it makes no sense to me. What is the token? Like, seriously, what made you FOMO into this? Uh, like this is, I mean, Voyager. Let me give you an idea of some exchanges out there. Voyager. What's the other one? Like I don't even remember their name anymore. They were huge. I think I still have their shitty app on my phone. Celsius. Remember those exchanges? And now you're buying a coin to one in Liechtenstein? It's on Kraken. Let's take a look at this chart. I mean, 0.05. Oh, that's only like 24 hours. It's on Coinbase. I mean, that gives it some. I just don't like. All right, is it on Masari? Let's dig into this bitch. No, it's not on Masari. So we can't. Oh, there it is. LCX. Liechtenstein Crypto Asset is a global fintech company that focuses on advanced trading tools, blah, blah. The company received a business license and is regulated by the FMA Liechtenstein and is fully compliant with Token and Trusted Service Provider Act. Market profile. Founded in 2018. Binance LCX, a joint venture between Binance. The partnership is that was in like 20. They don't have. Oh, they got new news here. Let's see what we got. Launch of LCX mobile trading app. I'm not saying LCX might not be a good company, but what makes the coin tokenomic is an exchange-based utility token may be used to pay all fees associated with services. This can be used as a voucher to pay fees. I'm not a big fan of that. Initial 6 million, funding round 2.5. It doesn't really say. Claim that all initially LCX initially claimed that all tokens used to pay for fees would be burned on a quarter. However, this program was I was getting ready to say that okay. However, this program was discontinued in a document entitled Updated Token. So they've already rug pulled you guys once. The first token burn took place. Total tokens burn 50 million, reducing the total supply to 950 million. LCX also initially claimed that all tokens used to pay for fees in the LCX ecosystem would have a guaranteed floor value of 10 cents per token. Well, that isn't happening. This aspect was also revoked. And okay, so what? Ricky in the house, how you doing, brother? No, I bought another. I bought another champion. What? What? No. What? What brand? I'm brain farting hard this morning. It is not champion. It is Russell. I bought another Russell, but a smaller size. I haven't tried it yet. My Costco. I don't think they have the new Pumas in. I still got old Pumas, but I'm looking forward to it. Bro, like, I'm not trying to shit on you, but I'm reading through this and there's nothing exciting me about this token. How the turntables? Did you mean how the tables turn, or did you just like mix? Did you? Is that part of your funny? You turn the turntables, tables turn. All right. and offering additional, you know what? And has plans to develop additional offerings, including an institutional grade custodian solution and a blockchain bank. You know, last night as I was going to bed, I was thinking about how this is weird because I was thinking about how, like, there needs to be blockchain banks. And then I was taking it a step further, thinking about how could you protect crypto assets? Like, is there, and the problem is the smart contract a lot of the time, but like I was thinking of things like jail, if you could jail the crypto somehow, like for example, in servers, you could have a sharded system or a jailed system where you put DNS, or a sandbox is another way of saying it, where you put like no, okay, I talked about DNS a little bit yesterday, but basically you put this service, this DNS service, in its own jailed partition of the OS. So when someone roots your DNS server, they don't have access to your server. They only have access to that jailed DNS. They F up your DNS, but they won't necessarily F up anything else on your server. So I was thinking if there's a way you could like jail the crypto somehow. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like even the private keys. Like it's no one, there's got to be a way to do that. And I don't know, maybe not, but I feel like there's got to be a way to, like that. I guess that would be the holy grail of security right there, right? Figure out a way. I don't even know though, because the private keys, right? If a bank or an, but then you lose, I don't know, then I guess you lose if you could gel it on your own system or something like that, you know what I mean? Because right now it's, or gel it somehow. I'm just like, maybe it's not even possible. I'm just trying to think outside of the box here. To Michael Scott quote. Well, I got to think of something, right? So I don't know. I don't know what made that shit pop into my head. Sometimes I think about the formation of the universe, and I actually have a theory that the speed of light is not well. I don't know if this is covered by Einstein's theory of relativity or not, but I don't think the speed of light, I don't know, what is it supposed to be, 186,000 miles per second? I don't think it's constant. I think it's, but it could be constant relative. It could be constant. Like if, what I'm saying is I think it's a different speed depending on different factors like gravity and etc. in different parts of the galaxy or universe. But it's still constant relative to that location. You know what I mean? Anyway, uh, what? Oh, Jason in the house. Chill Baggins in the house. How you doing, brother? No, it's 186,000 miles per second, bitch. Bitch, don't. How dare you? It's 6 trillion miles an hour, if I remember correctly. One hundred 86,000 miles per second. Mic drop, bitch. Let's see. Meters. Let me get the mile or the miles per hour right too. Let's just do this. Speed light MP8. 1.6 miles per hour. What? Miles per second. How fast? 600. Let's see. Or 670 million? I thought it. Oh, I think it's like 6 trillion miles a day or something. I don't freaking remember. Bert's in the house, everyone. Kurt in the. How are you? I was thinking about Kurt last night too. How I miss Kurt. We were definitely talking about possibly backing up the truck, Kurt. Retro wants me to bet. Retro's buying some shit coins. Retro's off the beaten path. He's trying to make it rich the fool's way. I think. Oh, you're gonna make me blush, Kurt. Oh my goodness. Ugh. 707. Are you back? Are you on the rig? Are you in the room? You get a little. Where are you at, bro? Give us an update. When you get back, I'm gonna stream some Rust and go take oil rig, because Rust has two. It has a large oil rig. It's actually the large oil rig's pretty dope at night. It lights up and everything. There's scientists on there you can go kill and get loot. Retro, are you still there? Or are you mad at me because I've been shitting on you for LCX? Rep bro, I know he listens to another. Like, who's this other person you're listening to right now? I want to go see who this person is, motherfucker. Leaving again on for a month. Are you gonna have internet where you're going? Should be the lot. Yeah, hopefully you're making bank. And cash those checks, bro. Like those checks that you didn't cash. What the f is wrong with you? Cash them and buy some freaking crypto right now. Bitcoin's getting a little bounce. Son of a bitch. Right. You know what? Should I buy some Solana? Should I back up the truck a little? Should I back it up just a little? I'm kind of thinking about backing up the truck a little. Let's do it. We're gonna go. What is wrong with me? All right, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I want to buy 1225. I'm gonna buy an Ethereum. Solana. What to do with crypto? Yeah, you've been missing me talking about, like, I've gotten a pretty good strategy now down. Basically, I'm looking. I'll summarize it for you real quick. Harmony's dead. I'm done with Harmony. Your lock jewel is gonna transfer to some shit chain. Uh, yeah, I'm all done with Harmony One. Like, I'll check. I barely know the answer to most of those questions. It's going to some Clayton, some other shit. The stuff on AVAX is still there. I still got my farm going. I don't ever check it. I'm considering that money lost. I'm looking to buy. Yeah, you paid off your Tranquil loan. Yeah, that 1K in USDT. Oh, they're giving you free, like, weird coins for it. And if you hold on to it, it should get repegged. So just check it in 3 years. They're giving you some coin, C1 or some shit. Stake it. You get a lot of you just whatever coins. Once we get to that point, I'll figure it out at that point, and I'll let you know. But I'm looking to buy. You already know I have a big bag of Cardano. I know you have a big bag too. I have a decent sized bag of Ethereum and a decent sized bag of Bitcoin. I think those are great assets to buy. I just bought a little of Ethereum. I just bought a little Solana. I'm looking to buy Solana. So the reason I mean, I would be looking to buy Cardano, but I already own a lot. So that's why I'm not. I'm looking to buy Solana. I'm looking to buy Matic, and I'm looking to maybe buy some Cadena and some Atom. I'm sticking to good quality coins that don't have. This is a big one. Good quality coins that have a several good factors here, right? They're high cap. They have strong communities, right? Really strong community backing, and no bridge risk. I'm avoiding bridge risk going forward. No more EVM compatible shit because the bridges are going to continue to get hacked. So I'm looking for Cardano. It's its own layer one. It's not EVM compatible. They have EVM compatible layer two, and I'm avoiding those. Right, like Mokamada. I'm not. I'm done. I'm done with the bridge risk. Polkadot's a good one, but it has a few EVM compatible. And what is the one? Glimmer or Glamour? Or, it had bridge risk and it got destroyed. So I'm avoiding those right now. Cardano, Atom, and Solana. I don't. I'm buying Solana because I think it's going to be good risk reward. Not that I necessarily care for the coin, but it could be a player for many decades to come. So, and you can stake it. You can stake Atom. I don't think you can get Atom on. So tasty in the morning. You know what? They were supposed to. I need to email Tom Sosnoff because they were supposed to have a self custody. They're always late on their shit though. Tastyworks is supposed to have a self custody wallet added to the platform. He hasn't said anything about that lately. I'll have to email him. But I mean, I got a lot of cash in the bank I'm waiting to send out. I got some cash over here I'm using just to play around with some options and stuff. And I just finally bought some Ethereum. I'm up $3 on that. I bought some Solana. I'm up $15 on that. Yeah, I mean that's so Kurt says he's gonna I'm not like I'm done with Harmony One, but I'm you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get what they're giving us coins. And I don't know when this is gonna happen or if it already happened. No one's really it's kind of hard to follow. But I'm like you. I'm not buying Harmony One and I'm not gonna sell the coins that they give me. I'm gonna stake them and hopefully in 3 years 3+ years, I look back and the shit's worth a lot of money, right? It's possible. Anything's possible. I mean, it's more likely that breaking even probably won't even happen. I am beginning to come around to the thought that I think a lot of these small chains are going to fail. And a lot of the small ones coming up are going to fail. You can only, you're only going to have so many layer ones, right? I guess. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. We'll have to see how it develops. We'll have to see how it matures. Like this Clayton rug pull that DeFi Kingdoms went to, they were just some layer one or whatever, and then they pivoted to be like a metaverse layer one, and now they're like a gaming metaverse. So they're just throwing in these buzzwords. They paid DeFi. I'm not 100% sure on this. I'm just assuming they paid Harmony One or they paid DeFi Kingdoms a bunch of money to come to their chain. I feel like DeFi Kingdoms bros are tapping out and they got their last little payoff and then they're just going to be on cruise control right now. And I mean, we're kind of stupid for not seeing it coming. Like we knew that, well, we were living on that hopium that this time is different. This time was different. The stock market crashed too. So if the stock market would have continued to go up, I think crypto would still be doing really well. It is different. The stock market's crashing too. The Nasdaq. Oh, the Nasdaq is getting about. We are getting a bit of a reversal. It was down 300. It's now down only 150. E-mini S&P was pushing down 100. It's now down 32. Yeah, different is not better in this case. We'll have to see how this plays out. It is bouncing off. Bitcoin bounced off. I think Bitcoin's bouncing off a double bottom. We were looking at the weekly, were we? What was I looking at? Was it this chart? Yeah, so Bitcoin's bouncing off basically like a double bottom. I mean, it touched this spot. Yeah, double bottom right here for sure. Double bottom. So this is where all the technical analysis with Bitcoin goes back up to this, like say up to here. Oh, you're gonna hear like what's his face? Johnny Bravo. "Oh, if you would have taken my course, you would have known this was a double bottom and blah blah blah. But if it it could also go down, right? Double bottoms can go down. And the Nasdaq. Let's take a look at this chart. Yeah, and it's playing out exactly as I predicted it. I thought it would come down to this line right here, and it came down and destroyed it. Dude, we're so far below. Oh, that's on the daily. Let's take a look at the weekly. We're so far below the 200 EMA. Is that the EMA? No, the SMA. This is ugly. The last time the Nasdaq fell below the 200 SMA like that, let's take a look. Like it has been a very, very long time. It was the dot com. Nope, that's the great financial crisis and the dot com, right? The last two times it happened, it took it down with it because it happened so fast. So it lost it here. Wait, we need it. Yeah, so it lost it here and it went way down. So this was somewhat near a bottom when this happened. Let's see. Let's take a look at when it fell below. It initially went 36% and then it went 61%. When it fell below here, it didn't really. It initially went 40% and then bottomed around 47%. We're nowhere near that right now, I don't think. Oh, yeah. I mean, we're barely below it. I mean, theoretically speaking, no bueno. The people out there thinking the bottom, talking about the bottom's in, it ain't necessarily in. We're 6% below the 200 SMA right now. So it has the potential, if it's anything like the dot com crash or I mean, dude, like, yeah, I'm not backing up the truck too crazy right now. Like, it could get much worse. I mean, we're talking, mm, I mean, I don't think this is gonna happen, but like that is freaking ugly. That is freaking ugly. But it happened. It happened 22 years ago. This happened 22 years ago, and this is very similar. I hate to keep pointing this out, but you can go back for a very long time on this channel, and I was pointing this out all the way up. So this is definitely, like, I got this yellow line down here for a reason. And that line is 33% away. I would not be surprised, and I've said this before too, we make it down to this line, historically speaking, that's still a really strong stock market. This right here, that's not normal. This is not like, how dumb do you have to be to think that's just going to continue? Right? So I think best case, we're looking at something like this. for a while. I mean, that's clear out to 2030. So I wouldn't know if I'd go that. But I mean, it can be like, I mean, it doesn't, you know what I'm saying? Like, hell, that puts us to 2026. It could be a long, many boring years. That's all right. I mean, crypto is going to have its pumps and dumps. So I don't know. Things are probably going to normalize a little bit. Well, let's see how this plays out. Bitcoin 18,422, Ethereum 12,21. Things are trying to catch a bid. It's early. Usually, when these CPI data and things come out, people overreact. We'll have to see how. We'll have to see how it is 24 to 48 hours later. It is a bad number though, so we're probably looking at another 1% rate hike coming up, 100 basis points. I want, you know what? I need to check I need to check YouTube. We're gonna have meet Kevin. The Fed just the Fed just ruined the U.S. economy or some shit like that. I can't wait. Nothing. I'm not even getting meet Kevin on my inflation nightmare. The Fed will force a depression. Prepare for 30%. Looks like he's wearing his DUI shirt here, right? Look at that. I don't know. Is it a hoodie? Is that his DU? Oh, that's a hoodie here, but that looks like the same shirt he's got in his DUI. Yes, officer. He was shit faced. Watch before Thursday's disastrous inflation report. Is that a World of Warcraft chair? What is that, a horde? Is that the horde symbol for the horde? Meet my diamond nuts. All right, so you're going to be around the next couple weeks? I'm excited, Kurt. I'm excited to get out of bed and hang out with you. I'm going to wrap this up. We'll see how these markets play out. I did back up the truck a little. These might be some swing trades. Now my Solana position's down in my so these might be some swing trades. I don't know. Juan in the house. How you doing, brother? Bitcoin to 21K. When? You sound like Capo. I miss the days of 20-point swings down and up also. Well, we had 12 years of up. We have 12 years of up. So now it's like, it's just down. I was thinking the other day I should sell calls, but it's hard to sell calls when the market's down this much. I'm kind of just waiting for it to turn around. The Nasdaq's starting to dip a little bit again. This could be one of those dead cat bounce situations where the market panicked and retail investors are like, F, right? I'm screwed. It catches a bid, and then the retail's like, okay, I'm out now, right? I just needed to go up this much. God, please, 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 Lord Jesus, make my Bitcoin go up another like $300 so that I can, because I need this amount, and then they're out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right. What the hell do we got here? An asshole in his beer? I gotta see this real quick. Yeah, short form video is the future, Retro. I agree. uh, all right, everyone. It's Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday, my dudes. I forgot to say that. Tomorrow is going to be No Right Friday. I will be back 6:30 a.m. PST. Be there, you F and square. Love you all, and peace.